Well, that is CS Santosh. He's the fastest Indian to race the Dakar Rally. Honestly, it was a tough task for an amateur like me to capture him with my basic cameras and stuff. I couldn't even sync up my drone smoothly with his pace. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, I would like to thank Hero Motorsports for organizing this event. This was the first of its type. CS संतोष के लिए जो उनके फैंस हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए बहुत चाहते थे, and Hero Motorsports have organized this event. And thank you so much again for making me a part of this event. And I got this beautiful poster of CS Santosh autographed here. Apart from that, I also got this beautiful t-shirt from Hero Motor, and here is an autograph. I couldn't get a marker, so I asked him to sign with the pen. So whatever it is, yeah, this is a autographed t-shirt. Looks Hey guys, so we are here at Big Rock Motor Park, जो कि कोलार में है. अभी जो है CS संतोष की गाड़ी जो है, जो वो डकार राइड पे यूज़ करते हैं. We're going to witness that vehicle, that bike over here. So अब इनका कुछ ब्रीफ है, एंड उसके बाद जो है हम लोग देखेंगे एक्चुअल एक्शन जो रैली में होता है. This is the second video of me with this at this property. If you remember, Candida Luis also has taken training from this track, so I had created a video a couple of days back.
Hello, how you doing? You are this video is being recorded at a very special place, Big Rock Motor Park, place which I was in a long time ago. I'm so glad to be back. We are here for a special event, the very first fan meet of Mr. CS Santosh. So we cannot wait to get it rolling. This is the very first fan meet event by Hero Motorsports. Can we have a big round of applause for that? There he is. Standing ovation, please. Come on, he deserves it. I think he's earned it.
Well, thank you all for coming out here. I know it's a long way off from the city, and it takes a fair bit of effort to come here, but thanks a lot for coming out. And yeah, I've been really keen to interact with you guys because I've never done anything like this before, so I'm gonna find my way around it. So it's really cool to have you guys here, so thank you all for coming.
Well, Sagar hosted this show, and CS Santosh had shared his experience about the Dakar Rally. So much of stuff he has shared today. We had a lot of questions about the rally and about the bike and everything, about his diet and his exercising habit and all that. So much of information today we got to know from. Thank you once again, Hero Motorsport, for organizing such an event.
To build a rally motorcycle, it's important to keep in mind the terrain that we race. So what you see here today is we're trying to keep it as close as possible to a dirt bike, but of course a dirt bike you can only ride for like 15-20 minutes, and then you need to stop for refuel, and it's not really good at high speed. So this bike that we have here is built so that we can go really fast in the Dakar, and in the off-piste sections. It's also meant to carry a lot of fuel, because it's mandatory to have enough fuel to last 250 kilometers in a stage if it needs to be. So that is a Dakar criteria. So which means that we carry a lot of fuel on the motorcycle. You know, so what you can see essentially is how we try to centralize that fuel that we have on the motorcycle. As you know, an off-road motorcycle moves a lot, and we're moving so much that the fuel plays a really important role in how the bike behaves. So we try and get that fuel more centralized to minimize that movement. And the next thing, of course, is we have to find our own way when we ride the desert. So navigation is really important. We don't use GPS. Nobody gives us the GPS and they don't give us a track and they say you need to go here. It's never like that.
You guys here probably have dabbled in off-road, or otherwise you wouldn't be here.
but there is a way to ride off-road and there is the right way to ride off-road. So I'm going to try and help you with a few of the basics. Even today when I go and train with the top riders, we always stick first with the basics. We always go over the basics over and over again because that is the foundation to have to build on your off-road skills. As you can see, an off-road motorcycle is really tall. It's not like a street bike. So weight distribution is really important because when you stand or sit, the bike is going to move a lot.
And then he shared with us some basic tips and tricks about off-roading.
One or two fingers. Even when you come into braking zones, I've seen people, they grab a handful to try and stop the bike. You're able to stand up and ride a motorcycle. Like you see in the Dakar, all the guys are standing up and riding. It's not because it looks really cool that you can slide the bike around a corner and you can stand up and put that tail out, but it's just because the bike is really big and there's so much weight on it that you want to be able to stand up and put weight where you need it on the front. And also when you stand up and ride, you allow the bike to move a lot more. You know, when you sit, the bike reacts and then you react with the bike. But when you stand up, you allow the bike to freely move with the surface underneath. So standing up actually gives you better control. And standing up also allows you to find the sweet spot on the motorcycle. Like you see, all of us, we move back and forth. We move it because at all times we're trying to be neutral on the bike. Whether I'm back here, it's not a position that's comfortable. But this is a position that is comfortable when you're braking really hard and coming into a corner. This is the sweet spot that you want to be because all the forces are acting in front. So at all times when you ride off-road, make sure that you allow yourself to move and feel where that spot is. And don't get stuck to one certain technique or certain position on a motorcycle.
बिग रॉक डर्ट पार्क जो है CS संतोष की खुद के प्रॉपर्टी है जहाँ पे उन्होंने एक ट्रैक सेटअप किया है. ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 3-4 इयर्स हो गया जो सेटअप उन्होंने किया थे. आप लोगों ने ये जो ट्रैक ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं कैनेडा लुइस की वीडियो पे जो ऑफ रोड सेशन जो वो वहाँ पे कर रही थी, जो ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल शी वाज गोइंग थ्रू, सो दैट इज एट दैट प्लेस ओनली. सो दैट प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू CS संतोष एंड वहाँ पे वो ऑफ रोड इवेंट्स करते हैं एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट टेक पार्ट. सो देयर आर प्रोग्राम्स लाइक 1 दिन का प्रोग्राम है, 3 दिन का प्रोग्राम है, ग्रुप पे आप जा सकते हो, इंडिविजुअल है. सो वेराइटीज ऑफ पैकेजेस आर देयर एंड लाइक इट इज़ फॉर एवरीवन. लाइक आप अगर स्टार्टर हो, फ्रेशर हो, आपके लिए भी है. एंड अगर आप मोटर क्रॉस ये सब प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो उसके लिए भी सेशंस है. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली विजिट द वेबसाइट. उनके वेबसाइट का नाम शायद बिग रॉक डट पार्क ही होगा या फिर आप CS संतोष उनके साइट पर देख लीजिए, कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा डिटेल्स.